Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering the Google TV and connecting it to the network so apps stream smoothly. Once the device boots, use the remote to choose Wi-Fi or plug Ethernet. 5 GHz reduces buffering. Sign into your Google account. This syncs apps, preferences, and voice control. Make sure to accept necessary permissions because they enable recommendations and casting. After account setup, check for system updates. Installing them now prevents compatibility issues and saves you time when adding apps. You now add the apps and tailor the interface so content appears where you want it. Open Google Play, install streaming services and utilities, and pin favorites to the home row for one-click access. Once apps are installed, edit rows to prioritize subscriptions or input sources. Next, calibrate display and audio. Run picture presets and choose stereo, surround, or pass-through. This matches your TV and sound system. Finally, link smart home devices and voice assistants to streamline controls. You finish by verifying playback and setting maintenance so the system stays healthy. Play 4K/HDR content to confirm resolution and audio pass-through. Cast from a phone to test Google Cast. Then enable automatic updates and periodic storage cleanup, because that prevents slowdowns over time. If something goes wrong, start by rebooting the TV and router, then check Wi-Fi strength. Clear the app cache next, and only use factory reset as a last resort to restore factory defaults. Stay methodical.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.